Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Get Placed Soon. In this video, I'm going to discuss about an amazing opportunities from Google, that is Web Solution Engineer opportunity, and they mentioned here university graduate. So this is basically for graduating people in the year 2025 because they've mentioned about this bachelor's degree. So it is not for students but also the university graduate. I'm understanding that this is an opportunity for people who are going to graduate this year, that is 2025 year, and this opportunity is going to be in 2025. Now first let's understand what is a web solution engineer. Web solution engineer in GTECH Ads. G stands for Google. So Google Tech Ads is a team at Google which is responsible for helping the advertisers, which is responsible for helping the agencies to solve these technical issues. So mostly the people who are going to join as web solution engineer will be collaborating with product team, sales team, engineering teams to understand the technical issues of customers. So they try to understand, provide training, education for customers on Google Ad products and features. Okay, so this is the basic idea of web solutions engineer. As I mentioned, university graduate, so this is for the people who are graduating in the year 2025. The people who have already graduated also can apply because they mentioned the minimum qualification of bachelor's degree. So you should basically have this bachelor's degree, and you should have the coding experience in either any of these languages, be it Java, C++ or Python. You should have experience in SQL, web technologies, technical design, troubleshooting, stakeholder management, etc. You can also go through these preferred qualifications and try to gain skills on this if you have not. So that is pretty much it about this video. This is very important opportunity because this is from Google and also for freshers, so make sure you give it a try. Also there is this video that they mention about Google Tech, that is GTech. If you want, you can open this video to understand what this GTech group of people does. All right, you can also understand more about GTech Ads. They've clearly mentioned here. Please go through this link and apply. Also they've mentioned about the responsibilities of what you're going to do once you get selected. Like, you will be responsible for proactive scoping, designing and building series of solutions. So basically it's all about the collecting requirements and providing guidance to the customers, sellers and partners. So try this. When I go through the previous interview experiences of people who have interviewed for web solutions engineer, there are quite a lot of coding rounds which consists of DSA and all. So also this is for university graduates, right? That's why please prepare the mandatory topics like basic coding, whatever language you've chosen. In that particular language, try to learn the OOP concepts, the core technologies like computer networks, DBMS, operating system. Very important, extremely important in every single round, that is data structures and algorithms, and a bit of system design. All these things are going to help. Make sure you prepare a proper ATS resume. That's pretty much it about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you apply. Also, I forgot mentioning about locations. This opportunity will be available in Hyderabad, Bangalore and Gurgaon. That's pretty much it about this video and this opportunity. Make sure you Google it, learn it, understand it, and also make sure you apply with the proper resume. All the very best. If you find this opportunity helpful, then please make sure you like it, share it and subscribe to our channel Get Placed Soon. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye.